Hello friends, welcome to Queen's Concept online training class. In today's class we'll be learning on how to make the multiple pleated fan Autogele. That's the multiple pleated fan Autogele. These are the materials in there. This is my already made base, the V. I'm using double colors. This is the V, my Maniquee head, my ashokee, my pins, my scissors, my tape, my plier to which I used to draw and my needle and thread. We are going to cut out about 2 pieces of 50 inches length, and I'll be using these pieces for an illustration. You're going to, after cutting it, you're going to fold it in this way and sew down. When you get to the edge, you fold it in this way and sew. Alright friends, this is 1 piece of the 50 inches length that I've made. This is the second pieces of the 50 inches length. I've already pleated this down. You understand? So I'm going to repeat the same thing. I folded it into 2 and I sewed down till I get to the edge. See how neatly it is. For our pleating, this is what we will do. We're going to give a space of 2 to 3 inches in. 2 to 3 inches in before we start our pleating. As while I pleat, I'm going to secure it with my pins. This is a space of 2 to 3 inches before I start my pleating. And this is it. This is the first one. I'm going to hold it down with my pin. Then for the second one, just watch what I'm doing. See? Next one. Watch what I'm doing, guys. While making this pleats, you push it up a bit so that it will give us the curvy shape we want, and we'll secure with our pin. Watch, guys. Then while getting towards the end, you push it down. Remember, here we pushed it up. While getting towards the end, you push it down a bit. And this is it. So now I'm going to take this to my, let me count, this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got about 9 pleats. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and I'm going to tack it down all this place. Tack it down here, 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 here. I'm going to tack it down, or just sew it round till I get to the edge. Remember, I get my needle, I'm going to place it here and I'm going to tack it down this way. I'm going to tack it down facing this direction. I'm going to tack it down this way so that once I'm done, it will come up like this. I'm going to tack it down this way. Now using my needle and thread, giving it a curvy shape. Same thing here. While I'm done with this, I'll repeat the same thing here with the second plate. You can actually join the both of them together. You can actually make them together this way and tack together and tack together. But I'm going to make mine one after the other for a neat job. Guys, my dear friend, this is what you will do till you get to the end of it. You tack through. If I turn this, you see? So I'm going to continue this way till I have what I want.
Purchase your tracks today.